Hey, welcome to our Blackcam booth here at IBC 2024. Today I would like to show you some of our latest products. We've just released the Arro2, which is the bigger brother of our camera robotic arm. This version is bigger. It's also slightly heavier, but still in a very competitive bracket. It is 80 kilogram for just the robot arm. But the great thing about the Arro2 is that it is just as the Arro1, fully modular, so you can take it apart within 30 minutes and set it up back into its functioning position within another 30 minutes. It's very flexible. The Arro2 is a fully controlled robotic system that can do AR application, virtual studio, but is just as well suited for broadcast studios, live shows, manual operation, television or film. The payload depends on the configuration. We have different models. We have a 2.10 m variant, a 1.80 m variant, and a 1.50 m variant. Because of physics, the smaller variant can carry more load, up to 18 kilogram. The longer variant can carry a little bit less. We are moving in either configuration up to 120 degrees per second in the rotating axis at the bottom, and the other axes can do up to 180 degrees per second. So it's rather quick. The arm is fully programmable. We have it integrated with the software. We can really easily and intuitively program positions and then move from position to position, and we can also string them together into one coherent move that you can then program afterwards and modify as you like. You can adjust keyframes for single axes or for zoom focus individually, so it's very flexible and quickly set up in that way. So with the Arro2 as well as the software, we have both fully automated control. We have something that we call the free flow system, where we can manually position the robot and then record the end positions to string full movements out of that. And in addition, we also have manual control on sticks. So we use the controller to position the robot as we need it. We can do that live, but we can also use it to pre-program the robot arm more intuitively. I think we're going to go to our other booth now. There we have our new product, the Pedestal, that also integrates with the Arro, but also other products of ours. The Pedestal is using omnidirectional wheels, but unlike other pedestals, it can also rotate its direction, which is really important for us to make this as flexible as possible. We have inside-out tracking, which is also something that is rather new. We have laser sensors that enable us to detect both our surroundings as well as objects or people that we want to avoid. Our tracking accuracy is really, really high, so you will have no issues with repeatability. We pride ourselves in being able to repeat the same motion hundreds and thousands of times without moving or straying from the pre-programmed path.